Drop it.
Hello students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to Sharda Coaching Academy, जिथे आपण इंग्लिश शिकतो खूप सोप्या भाषेमध्ये. As we know students, we have learned 1.5 his first flight written by Liam O'Herty. In this topic we learned the story of a little seagull bird who was afraid of flying. He was not well trained in the art of flying. So when his parents and brothers and sisters were flying in high above the sky, so the little young seagull was not trying hard because of afraid of being fall down. So when he was maddened by hunger, his mother tries him to teach how to take a flight and how to catch fishes. So at last, to catch a piece of fish, he takes flight and he comes to know that there is no thing to be afraid of flying. In fact, even he cannot drown in the water of the sea. So today we are going to learn the side questions and English workshop of this topic. So let's concentrate and write now the side questions as well as English workshop of this topic. Side question first. What did the young seagull feel while he was trying to fly? जेव्हा तो छोटासा सीगल पक्षी हवेत उडण्याचा प्रयत्न करत होता तेव्हा त्याला नेमके कसे वाटत होते, काय वाटत होते? Said answer. The young seagull was afraid of flying. He took a little run forward to the brink of the lake and tried to flap his wings. But when he saw the great expanse of the sea stretched down beneath and its long way down, he felt that his small wings would never help him to fly. It appeared to him that the plunge like his brothers and sister was very desperate and difficult. Do you understand it? See now the next question. Why did the young seagull feel hot? त्या छोट्याशा सीगल पक्षाला फील हॉट म्हणजे उष्णतेची झळ का जाणवली? Said answer. The sun was now ascending the sky, blazing on the young seagull's ledge that faced the south. But more than the heat of the sun, he felt the heat of his hunger because he had not eaten anything since the previous nightfall. Next question 3. What were the young seagull's parents doing? मग त्या छोट्या सीगलचे पेरेंट्स म्हणजेच आई वडील काय करत होते बरं? आन्सर. The young seagull's father was cleaning his white back feathers smooth with his beak. His mother was looking at the young seagull. She stood on a little high hump on the plateau. Her white breast was thrust forward. Now and again she tore a piece of fish that lay at her feet and then scraped each side of her beak on the rock. She was trying to attract the young one's attention towards the piece of fish. Next question. What were the young seagull's brothers and sister doing? त्या छोट्याशा सीगल पक्षाचे भाऊ बहीण काय करत होते? The young seagull was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. He saw his two brothers and his sister flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and diving. Next question. What did he forgot? त्या छोट्याशा सीगल पक्षाने काय विसरले होते बरं? आन्सर. The young seagull completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly and commended himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly.